Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we're going to learn how to deploy Pandora FMS agent in cloud environments with a single command. Before starting, we would like to clarify that this installation is not just for cloud environments. It can be done in any environment where these two conditions are met. The first is to have internet access to contact Pandora FMS repositories, and the second one is to have a compatible operating system. In general, in most cloud environments, these conditions are met. But if in your case you have a virtual or physical machine that meets them, you can use this installation method without any issues, even if it is not a cloud environment. Currently, the installer supports Linux distributions based on Red Hat, like CentOS, Fedora, Amazon Linux, etc., or based on Debian, like Ubuntu. And it also supports x86 and x86_64 architectures. In the future, we will support more distributions and architectures. That being said, and without further ado, let's get to work. The first thing to do is to have a machine where you want to install the agent. For that, today I have access to an AWS environment, so we will use an EC2 instance. I will go into the EC2 admin console and generate an instance. I'm going to choose from Amazon Linux as it is supported, and I will leave everything as it is by default. This will take a couple of minutes to activate the machine. We will speed it up with the magic of editing. Once the machine is up, we connect it by SSH. In this case, I'm using the key that I defined for my AWS environment. It is possible for each cloud provider to be slightly different, although they are all similar. Now we will go to Pandora FMS documentation and locate the installation section. Here we look for Cloud Agent installation. As we can see, we only have to execute a command for the installation, defining the IP or the FQDN in Pandora server IP environment variable. Before installing the agent, it is important to have root permissions. So on this machine, I'm going to execute the command sudo su before launching the installer. In this case, I'm going to send my agent's data to a test server located at the address new4.artica.es. This is a DNS name, but we can use an IP. So I just define it in my command execution and run it to start the installation. The corresponding package will automatically be downloaded and configured to report to the indicated server. Once the process is finished, if you go to new4.artica.es and look for the new agent that has been generated from the installation that we just carried out, you will see that it is already reporting correctly. It's that easy. With a single command, you can install your agent in cloud environments in less than a minute. The installation we just did is a standard one, but you can also use temporary environment variables to modify the performance and configuration of your agent. As we see in the documentation, you can enable remote configuration for enterprise environments, change the name and alias of the agent, define primary and secondary groups, or even install an agent in debug mode for testing. If these terms are not familiar for you or you want to see all the agent's possibilities, you should go to our software agent video on this same channel, where we describe all the features and options that Pandora FMS software agents have. For this tutorial, I already have a machine ready. In this case, it is local, and as we can see, it is running CentOS 8. I'm going to copy the command from the documentation, change some parameters so that the agent meets my requirements, and execute it. It will go through the same process that we have already seen before and install our agent. If we go to our Pandora FMS server where we point our agent to, we will see that it has been created just like previously. But this time it has taken the customized parameters that we added and it is ready to work with it. Like that, in that easy, fast and configurable way, you can install your agent in any cloud environment or not cloud that meets a few requirements. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, please smile, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Any suggestion, question or idea, you may leave it in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.